from Houseforce. Come here on the project.
Hi guys, it's Paul from Houseforce. We received the big box from Amazon this morning. Nice little present. It's the Bosch GAS 35 L AFC wet and dry dust extraction system. We've got a few jobs in mind and we're going to do some videos and see how it gets on site. Now that's the real test. What it's like on site. Does it do the job? Well, we're going to let you know what we think about it. In the meantime, have a great day. This is our setup of the GAS 35L AFC Professional wet and dry dust extraction system. We've got an L-Boxx clipped on the top, but that's the basic setup that we use as it is now. So this is the Bosch GAS 35L AFC. It's L-rated throughout, not just for the extraction but for the whole system. It's got non-marking wheels, nice rollabout ones at the bottom with a stop. See, it's L-rated. It's got a 35 litre tank. This is your tank. We're using a fibre bag. They just pop in and out. It's also got an automatic leveller there, so if you overfill with water, if you're using it as a water system. Easy to get on and off. Very simple. Filters at the back, so you don't actually have to open up the whole system. There's your filter that we use in particular. Give it a shake with dust. With this system itself, when you have it on, it runs on automatic filtration. Okay, so what have we got? Apart from the whole unit itself being quite robust, this is for your tools that you can pack away. It's got a 5 metre lead, which is very handy. What you got on the front? You've got the on-off switches. You've got a vacuum adjuster, so that if you're doing sanding with a disc or whatever, it's not going to pull it into the wood. And you've got the AFC, which is an automatic filtration system button where you can turn it on and off as you wish. Hose connector, on-off switch. On the on-off switch itself, number one itself shows you it's directly on Hoover, so that will just work directly. If the light will come on for the AFC once it's in action, and you'll hear it, it'll give you a few thumps. And then after 15 seconds it'll give you a few more thumps. So every sort of 15 seconds what it does, the filter at the back here, this vibrates, bangs down onto it, some heavy thumps, and it clears the filter, so you're getting a constant suction, which we find very useful. The other way is that we can turn on to the 1 Plus, that's for the power tools. So now this machine is actually on, but it won't work. So you plug that power tool in and switch the power tool on. Once you have the power tool on, it will continuously run. It'll be in AFC mode, so it'll keep thumping away. If you don't want that, you just switch it on and off. When you switch the machine off, this will run for about 5-6 seconds, and then it will turn off. The minute you turn the machine back on, it goes back on again. You've got nice sturdy anchors here, which is the hose that we wrap around, which we don't personally use it that way, but I've seen it. It looks good. Because we have this compact in the van, we don't actually use this system, but we've done it with our setup. We're into L-Boxxes, and basically in here is all our hoses and the foot part, and then we have the drawer, which basically gives you various adapters and steel tubes, so they're very sturdy. And then we've got various other adapters for machines that we have. Plus you can change on the foot of the Hoover. You can take the brushes off and you can slide these in quite easily, and that's for doing solutions. That's our system. You're going to see it in action now. We won't pontificate about all the other bits and pieces, but you'll actually see it in all use on-site work, and we're going to show you So that's our setup.